specifically from day one, ever since ED officials had put this case, they had been maintaining that apart from Rhea, Souvik Chakraborty is also under their scanner. Because ED maintains whatever the financial dealings were there, since he was linked with the late actor as well, perhaps the family members would also be knowing about the various transactions, if at all they were taking place. Now, interestingly, since 3 companies, as we've been talking about, were formed between 2018 and January 2020, which is seeing the close links of Rhea Chakraborty's members as well. Now, their statements becomes all the more critical. Rhea's statement, her father's statement, her brother's statement, they are going to be taken down. They are going to be corroborated. So now it's out in the open. ED will have a clearer path from here on. Perhaps today, if Rhea Chakraborty had evaded the summons, that would have created a negative perception. But today, she is here. Now, as we've established, her father is here, her brother is here. Now, it remains to be seen what sort of statements, what sort of a defense are they able to pose in front of the officials and to the crucial questions on the financial angle that will be posed in front of them.
Absolutely. So those are the latest visuals that are coming in from outside the Enforcement Directorate office and inside as well. India Today is the only channel getting you these exclusive visuals and the inside track of what all is going on with the probe. Pankaj, now the next person in question is going to be Siddharth Pitani, definitely, and the Enforcement Directorate will be grilling Siddharth Pitani tomorrow. So the pieces of the puzzle looks like they're not far away from getting solved.
Yes, absolutely. But let us also remember, as we are seeing the daily twists and turns in this case, the allegations, the counter allegations, the statements that are coming out. And that's the reason why I said that this case is no ordinary case now. This is being fought on many fronts. So much so to the extent that you have the 2 state governments fighting against each other. You have a civic body that is involved as well. You have the police officials who are fighting. You have the police officials giving out statements on a daily basis. In fact, today, BMC has let go the Superintendent of Police of Patna, Vinay Tiwari, as well, citing that he is no longer needed in the investigations here in Mumbai, and that he has to leave, presenting his air tickets in front of the BMC. Now, this is important because the Bihar police has been saying to the apex body as well that the Mumbai police did not cooperate in this very case, and even though they have returned now, their 4-member team has returned, they have crucial evidence based on the statements that they have taken from the various stakeholders, which of course remains the various friends of Rhea Chakraborty and late actor Sushant Singh Rajput as well. Mind you, also Home Minister of Maharashtra Anil Deshmukh time and again had said that the Bihar police had absolutely no jurisdiction in this entire case and that Mumbai police had started the investigation long back. It was competent enough. Also importantly, Chaiti, was the statement of the Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut, who had clearly said that this is a pre-planned move and the entire aim of the government and the other machineries is only to defame the state government here. Now, as we are seeing that the Enforcement Directorate is clearly probing the financial angles, there are other angles which are playing out as well, specifically of the Central Bureau of Investigation here, which will be facing the biggest hurdle now because it will have to take permission from the state government as well. So this is no simple case now. Twists and turns by the hour here. The latest
I'm still very confused about this point, Pankaj, and it baffles me. Why is it that the CA is not being grilled by the Enforcement Directorate? Yes, Rhea Chakraborty is one of the most important cogs in the wheel. Siddharth Pitani will be questioned tomorrow. But as far as Sushant's personal financials are concerned, the CA has to be questioned.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.